Okay, we have the pound dollar, huge gap in the night by the time the market opened, but we actually had an idea of what's happening. I'm hiding the stuff so that we can see. Oops, I want to hide this one. Then I'm going to share the bars and also wheel of success. This is important. Okay, this gap is the correction of 3 to 4. Okay, and we expect one more move to the upside. This has been a trade we started trading, I think it's 3 weeks now. Okay, down, up, and now we saw the move last week, which was fantastic. Measure move actually is taking place, and the measure move is here. Let me measure it again so that we can see it. So instead of measuring from lows to high, because of the measure move information that we add from here, okay, T1, then the price gave us an extension, highs to high, measure move, price came to the 50%. Okay, then we saw the 0 1 2 as 1 3, then we closed 2 eyes above it, retracement. So this is the best setup so far in the pound US dollar. The reason I'm saying that is we have a structure, ABC1, followed by a break. This confirmed the structure. Then we saw 100% rally, 100% bullishness. Okay, this high made it 100% bullish. Okay, we can call that a momentum high for now because that became 100% bullish. But we know after a complete bullishness like that, there will be a discount, and they use the gap to create the discount. Okay, so, and this now, I was sleeping actually, so I didn't take the trade, but it is important that this is clear that we, if price come back below here, then the price will fail. But my play is the T2 now. Okay, this here, so this price is going to give us the entry that we can take the trade. That's the destination based on the measure move, and the pound has been reacting very nicely to the setup. Like I said, we've been trading the pound for over 3 weeks now consistently, and that's my expectation. Okay, it doesn't mean it's going to happen exactly the way we expected it, but let's look at the smaller time frame for this gap move that is happening. So I'm going to go to this chart. See, that gap is huge. As you can see, there's all sort of lines on this chart. We were trading, pound has been fantastic. So let me look at this. So we have the rally high there. Let's put 0 on that. Then we have 1 2, that's our 100% bullish. Do we have a structure? Yes, we do, my friends. So this thing is, after the structure, this is the 100% bullish. 1 2. We may have a break of this point, and that will be my best buy zone, so we can start to set the trap for where we are going to get involved. It doesn't mean price is not guaranteed. Okay, I'm saying it doesn't mean, but it's not guaranteed that price will come to this point. But what I'm looking for is, because I did not get involved with all this move, I'm looking for an advantage, a retracement to a discounted level. Okay, so if this is the 100%, and if this is the breakout rally high, we have 1 2, that becomes 100% move. This is a structure, because the smart trader is telling us this is a structure. We have to accept that. Price has broken higher once. This could be the second break, so we may have a pullback, deep pullback. and that is my, I'll be checking this. That's the first area we can look for buying opportunity, and this is another area here. Selling is not an option if we stay above here, so I'm going to draw this line here. You just put it like momentum low, preset prices, momentum low must be sold. So if price is coming below this as a momentum low, then I'm not going to touch the buying unless we have a failure. Okay, so this discount is going to be a good one. Let's set a trap from the low to the high. This is the first break, T2. So we can use this as the first row structure. The buy zone is here. This is our buy zone. Look at the buy zone is sandwiched between the two levels that I've drawn out. So if we come inside here and we start to see a new bullishness in terms of a rally high followed by two breaks and a structural pullback, that will be a trade I'll take. Okay, because the bigger picture on the 1 hour is pointing towards the 61.8 extension of the measure move, which is the valid area before we see a major change in the pound. If they don't get there based on this model, we are likely to just trying to sell the pound. That's why they use the gap. Selling it is like in this mode, and you see this here, there's a lot of money committed. Anyway, it's a random one that I had to do this morning. Okay, guys, if you like what you see, give us a thumbs up. My name is Shogun Chat 247. With the pound, the pullback will give us opportunity as long as it stays above the momentum low. So the gap we saw is a discount. Okay, I think that's a good title for this video. Okay, the gap is a discount. See you guys in the next video. God bless. Have a blessed trading week and see you guys later.